Hey guys, it's Verdi Box Gaming here, and today we are doing the Sniper Challenge. Penguin, are you ready? I am buying a starter case, kid. Unlock. Turn on. Put small starter. How many minutes are... Oh, dude, you're not on my team! Oh my god, this skin looks so sick. Let's go get some kills with this. Okay, let's get over there. Sorry about the noise, guys. It's just my phone. Okay. Yeah, that's captured. Little insane in the membrane. No, don't give it to you. Okay, going through. Get through this way. Go down this way. Oh my god, you should try the asphalt. It's a machine gun. It's a non-bursting machine gun. This is actually really good. That means it's good for long range.
What weapon is it?
Asval. A-S-V-A-L.
Wait, what is it?
G. No, I died. It's called the Asval. A-S-V-A-L. I just got a skin for it. This thing is so sick. I have a neon dog texture on it. Oh, come on. Hold on. Escape bar enter. I'm resetting my character. It looks cool, but I'm changing off of it. Weapon loadout, melee, weapon skins, slot, material, neon. Slot, material, neon. What did you do? Case inventory. Buy case. Confirm. Yes. Okay. Go to this. Open case. Use key. Please give me something legend. Oh, I want something legendary. I have a 3% chance right now. I'm able to get a F1 case. Buy cases, tier 1, starter case 2, confirm. Dude, I have a 3% chance right now. That's crazy. Go, 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 go. No! How did that guy get there? Uptown funk, don't give it to you. Saturday night, fight. Don't believe me, just fine. Oh! No! Are you kidding me? Dumpling man. Ow! I'm nearly dead. Dang it, I just got stabbed in the back by a knife. Oh, come on! We had all the bases, though. That's not fair. Dude, you're on my team. You just got placed onto my team. Yeah, we're on the same team. Phantoms is always better with me on it. Okay, you Nama, who is knocking? I am up. Sorry, I'm recording a video. I'm recording a video. Hold on. Yeah. Go, 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 go. Up. No. Hold on. You have to pause the video. Yeah. Hold on, guys. I have to pause this video. I'm back from what I had to do. I just had to quickly go bring the groceries in. Okay. Penguin, spawn in. Penguin, spawn in. Yehuda. Dude, go. Oh, I'm going for it. You now that you said that you got me on, I'm going to A. Ah! Where did that guy just come from? On. What the heck? Where are all of these enemy teams coming from? What the flip? Dude, we can't even deploy. Penguin, spawn. Every time I deploy. V. UMP. Got him! RPK. D! No! I almost got out with RPK. I was reloading the ammo. He's on the escalator right now. Oh my god, dude, what the heck have you guys been doing this whole game? Are you kidding me? Dude, we're failing on this. We can't snipe. Dude, we haven't sniped once in this whole video. Wow. Am I close to leveling up anytime soon? Yeah, I'm close to. I have 3,000. I have 1,500 left. I need. And you know we're not on the same team again. Udo, bye bye. Udo, bye bye. Udo, bye bye. You are not on my team anymore. Scram. Udo? Dude, I was joking. I didn't say I was going bye-bye. I said you're not on my team anymore. I was saying bye-bye to you.
I could be on your team. I'm trying to get back in. I thought you said goodbye.
I didn't mean to say goodbye. I'm saying goodbye like he wasn't on my team anymore.
I might now be. I'll see what I meant. I'm in.
Yep, you're on my team. You're on my team.
Yes, that move was worth it. If we stay on the same team, it'll be nice. They've not seen it since 25th of January.
It's not that bad.
Revolver. I need to go check that. Oh, yeah, I actually need a revolver. I didn't realize.
It's really horrible. I've already tried it before.
Right. Weapon loadout. Secondary.
Waiting for this team to spawn in.
No.
Yes, got him. I'm trying to figure out, are we meant to be going up or down? Why do we both start at 6?
Get the hill. We want to stay.
Go.
They want them to go around. This one, we're not getting the other team to get to zero. Like, the first team to get to basically team that.
Or if we get back to full. Ow! Where the heck is that shooting from? Frick. Yeah, I know, he sucks. Dude, he's using an M4A1. I didn't get what AKM? Doesn't it sucks those? Oh, double headshot! Double kill killed from a distant headshots. No!